What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sal, man, back at it with a new video. Welcome back to everybody. Just woke up, about to head over to the gym real quick.
Dude, who's gonna carry the boats and the logs?
And today we're gonna figure out what exactly is wrong with my M3. As y'all saw last clip, right before we were about to race, something have happened. Today we're gonna figure that out. So just like that, we're gonna go ahead and head out. Let me give you guys a cold start. I know you guys like that.
But deliver us.
This exhaust setup is insane, man. If you guys want to find out the exact exhaust setup that I have, leave a comment down below. I'll let you guys know what exactly I've done to it. But this exhaust setup is so loud. I wanted it like this, so it's like exactly what I wanted. It's perfect. I do live in an area where there's a bunch of police. So they're always like looking at my car. So I'm looking at one right now and he's looking at me.
Slow down, baby.
Let's turn off the exhaust because that shit is loud.
Floor it?
No, don't floor it.
Okay, floor it.
No.
That's definitely gonna give him a reason to stop me for sure. This is kind of like my escape right now because I just had a kid, as you guys know. So I'm constantly in the house all the time. And yeah, so I come here, sweat, come in here ready. I'm ready to pump some iron. We're getting back, we're getting healthy 2025 all year long, man. So let's stop the talking, let's get back to working out so we can finish up and we can hit the TJ. Woo! It was a good workout, man. Got it in, for real. Let's get going. We're gonna head over, like I told y'all, to TJ. Let's see what Mr. TJ has to say about the car. I need to figure out my airbag deal. I sent it to a shop to work on it for me. And they still haven't gotten back with me, and we kind of need it, guys.
Oh, Sherlock.
It's an unfortunate situation with the clutch, but we're gonna turn it into something positive. That's what I always like to do. A lot of people that know me personally, they know how I am. I never take anything as negative. If there's a negative, find a way to turn it into a positive. Whoa. Give y'all a little quick pull, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, bruh. No more pulls. We're not gonna do any more pulls before we actually break the car completely. We won't be able to drive it no more. We'll wait until I get TJ's shop. I know he always got some cool cars there. Excuse me. I know he got some cool cars there, so when we get there, I'll get the camera back up and show you guys what he has there. Bro! Yeah! No more pulls. We're not gonna do any more. Man, look, I had McLarens, I had Lambos, I had R8s, all of that. This car is more fun than all of them. It's not necessarily the fastest, maybe, but it's the most fun. It's a lot of drama, a lot of stuff going on. It's not just as simple as pressing the gas and just go. That's the thing with supercars. You kind of just press the gas, it goes, everything is perfect. With these cars, with this M3, my old Hellcat, the new Hellcat that's coming soon, so stay tuned, guys. I bought it kind of messed up a little bit, so it's getting fixed up at my body shop. For those of you that don't know, I do own a body shop. We'll talk about that in another video. If you have any questions about that, please leave a comment down below. All right, y'all, we just made it to my boy TJ's shop. I see a bunch of BMWs. That's what he specializes in. So that's his specialty. It's all M cars, as y'all see everywhere. What's going on, player? How you doing, man? Miss you. Good, man, I know. Now, I see you got a Hellcat in here. I inspired you to do Hellcats or what?
No. Wait.
Man, that boy got a Hellcat. Oh, he knows me?
Yeah, he knows you.
No way.
Yeah. He was like, oh, y'all did my boy's car. He's like, no, I'll bring you a Hellcat.
Ooh, what are y'all doing to it?
Just some bolt-ons, cat delete, tune.
Oof.
Fully upgraded.
Man, this thing's kind of sexy. I like the color. Is this a paint job or a wrap? Oh my God. What do you guys think of this Hellcat, man? Is this a red eye? They're putting in work. We got all kinds of crazy shit here all the time. Look at this. This is another M8. It's pretty much building from scratch. It was completely totaled out, so he does a lot of cool shit. He got a customer right now. Let him finish up, and then we're gonna go over my car. You know, every time I come to your shop, I feel like I need to do way more shit to my car. Like, god damn, look everywhere. All the motors are out.
Do you remember this?
Oh, this is the single turbo one, huh? Hey, so what suggestions do you have for me on the M3?
Let's single turbo. Why are we wasting time?
Yes! 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 Yes!
We got a single turbo, that thing. Let's do clutch, single turbo, fuel system.
Okay.
This one we're building to probably north of 1,500 horsepower.
Cause yeah, see, he takes the whole fucking engine out, man.
Fuel system, intake manifold, big turbo.
Oh my god. But if we do that, I'm bothering you so much, I'm gonna be pulling up here all the time filming.
It's okay.
To give him every step of the way. Okay, so what about if we start with, like, right now, let's do the clutch.
Let's do clutch. You already burned your clutch.
Yeah, that thing's fucked, bro. When I was driving, man, I got freaked out. I called you like at 7 or 8 in the morning.
Yeah.
I was going to Cars and Coffee, and literally it started smoking, and it was cold, so I thought it maybe was just like the exhaust, but I started smelling rubber. I'm like, oh fuck.
It's not your tire.
I had it in first gear. And I was about to leave, so I had, you know, the
Got on a little bit.
Man, that freaked me out. I was like, oh man, I'm not gonna make it to the meet, but I still did. Fuck it.
Meat's what's important.
Mm-hmm.
So let's do clutch.
Okay.
And then next step would be fuel system. We can turn it up a little bit more, and then max out the stock turbo. And then next step, big turbo.
How much power can we push it with the upgraded clutch?
We'll probably make close to 750, 770.
And I'm telling them we make 750 right now.
Gotcha, bitch!
Woo! Woo!
Max turbo and...
Hold on. Before you continue, I think we need to do a dyno run. Like we do an actual
let's change
dyno.
Clutch.
Okay.
Let's dyno, because if we dyno it like this, you're gonna burn that clutch. The car's not gonna be drivable.
Okay.
Let's put a clutch in there, and then we can probably tune it a little bit more.
Okay.
As is. We kept your torque down low to save this clutch, but you've been beating the shit out of this.
Yeah, you know, bro, we've been smoking everybody, dog. You've been watching the videos, man. Man, anyway, so the plan for my car, we're gonna order the clutch. Probably what? It's gonna take a few days to get here.
Roughly, possibly a week. Order it today, 3 to 4 days.
Okay. And then I'll bring you the car back. You know, put the clutch. How long is it gonna take for that? You know?
About a day.
That's it?
Day and a half.
Okay. You know, we'll get express service, you know what I'm saying?
VIP service?
Yeah, VIP service, man. Not everybody's gonna get that, so don't expect that.
We make it
Whatever.
easy.
Look, let me tell them something. Whenever you drop off your car to get performance done on it, don't be rushing, you know, whoever, whether it's TJ or anybody else. Let them take their time so they make sure they do it right, and you don't have to come back so many times.
Don't rush your mechanic.
Exactly.
You don't rush your doctor.
Exactly, that's right. So, just like that, guys, that's the plan for the M3. So, just like that, I'll see you guys on the next one.